Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this purple, pink, and orange makeup look. To start this look, I'm using the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place and using the purple in the crease and blending out. Next, using the same palette, I'm going to be using the pink shade to blend out the purple. Next, using the same palette, we're going to be using the orange shade to blend out the pink. Then I use the Garden of Juvia palette for the yellow shade and just use a little bit around the outside of the orange. Then I'll be using makeup remover and Q-tips to create a rounded cut crease shape. Then I'm going over that area with concealer. Next, I'm using the Violets palette from Juvia's Place for the light lavender shade that has sparkles in it. And I'm using this in the inner corners. Then for the outer corners, I'm using the same purple shade we used before and blending them together in the middle. Then I'm using the same colors underneath the eye as well. And I'm extending the color pretty far down underneath the eye to create a smoky style look. For the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and then I top this with false lashes. And that completes this purple, pink, and orange makeup look. I think this is a really pretty color combination. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.